Bible says Jerusalem is the city of God. The Bible says that God has placed his name there.
I grew up very religious. And at one point, I myself was a real staunch devotee. I attended church regularly. I was close with many people there. I used to spend like an entire Saturday at church. People who I would sit with every week, we would eat lunch together, and they pretend like they looked over me, that they didn't see me. And I thought about that. It occurred to me that I was being shunned. Organized religion does not make sense. What organized religion does is it teaches people how to be obedient without question. And you need people to be obedient without question to ensure that whatever structures and systems you have in place, you want to put in place, you will get less resistance. If they're patient now, there is some reward for them at the end. Notwithstanding that the people who are telling them this are living the life that they want, the life that they crave. Those people are living it now, but they're telling them that if they be patient, if you are patient, you will have the life that I have. You will have this life in another life.